National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 22, effective until 3 a.m. Friday. This watch includes the following counties: Redville, Orangeville, Yellowville, Greenville, Blueville, Purcellville, Flush City, Clinton, Pacific, Greene, Jackson, Floodtown, Wakefield, Rockford, Andover, Brookhaven, and Blacksburg, Mayneville, Flushland, and Clay. Remember, a tornado watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds, and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen to later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to know weather radio, commercial radio, and television outlets or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.